We're gonna go ahead and just look over the tires since I got it off the Ultra Classic. I'm gonna describe to you how to tell if you need new tires. So do you know how to tell if you need a new tire? There's multiple issues that can cause you to replace a tire. The biggest one, of course, is tire wear. And it just simply wears out. If you ride a lot like I do, you'll probably be replacing tires because they're ready to be replaced. Now on most tires, there's a thing called a tread indicator, but there's a little bump in between the thread right here also, and then there's one on the side. So they're all over the tire. When your tire gets to that thread level, let me find one. I know there's one here I can show you. Right here. Pretty much even with that needs to be replaced. All right. It's just over that little tire wear indicator. Just over it. I could probably get a few more miles out of that. But it's close. It's close. The other reason, they scallop. I got some flat spots here. Now these were original to the bike when I bought the bike. I'm assuming that he was running with low air pressure in the tires. I don't think it's a suspension issue, but it could be a suspension issue. Another reason is simply the manufacturer tells you to replace them. The manufacturer recommends right around 5 years for tires, because what happens is they start to dry crack. As you can see, this one's starting to crack here. I don't know if it's coming up clear on that video or not, but it's starting to crack here. And it's dry rotting. It's got cracks all over the tire. You can see the dry rot starting to begin. Not what I call a safe tire to ride on. Punctures. This one has a plug in it. A plug, in my book, is an emergency fix only to get you to a place to get it repaired. I mean, I know guys that have ridden motorcycles with plugs in the tires. I don't recommend it, and I don't do it. So once one of my tires has to be plugged, I replace them. But punctures, tread wear, the tire just being too old, dry rotting and stuff, flat spots on the tire. If you have any of those conditions or issues, you know, you might want to consider replacing it and being safe on the road. All right, you all take care, subscribe, give me some positive and constructive criticism if you like. Appreciate it. Leave some comments below. And that's all I got. All right, you all, bye-bye.